This is a quick video on how to multiply and divide fraction. We will start with multiplying fraction. So we know that half times half is a quarter. This makes sense because if I say half times half, it means half of half. Okay, the word multiply means of. Okay, so if I say half of a whole is a half. Okay, if I say another half of a half, it means that I'm talking about a quarter here. Okay, so what we do in a multiplication is simple. You just multiply the numerator with numerators and then the denominator with denominator. So 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 5 is 20. That's simple as that, okay? This is one of the simplest things in math, okay? So if we have an example, 2/3 times 1/4, very easily, you just take 2 times 1 is going to be 2, 3 times 4, the denominator is going to be 12, and simplify them is going to be 1/6. That is very easy, okay? Not so easy when it is in a mixed number form. Mixed number when you have 1 and 4/5 multiplied by 2 and 1/3. Just like what we have done before, we have to convert these two numbers into improper fraction. To do that, you just take 5 multiplied by 1 plus 4. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So that becomes 9/5. Okay, and then for the second fraction, 2 and 1/3, you just take 2 times 3, which is 6 plus 1. So that will be going to be 7/3. You're going to multiply them. It's going to be 63. 9 times 7 is going to be 63 out of 15. And you need to simplify them. And it's going to be 4. 4 times 15 is 60. It's 3/15. You can simplify further. It's going to be 4 and 1/5. Okay, great. Now we shall do division now. Okay, division is similar to multiplication, it's just the reverse. Okay, so we are using the KFC method. So the first fraction you keep, so 3/4 you're going to keep. The second fraction you're going to flip. Flip means 5 goes up and 1 comes down. So the second fraction is going to flip. So 1/5 becomes 5/1. And C means change. The operation here, the divide, you're going to multiply. Once you do that, it's very simple. 3 times 5 is going to be 15. 4 times 1 is going to be 4. And simplify them, it's going to be 3 and 3 is 12. 3 and 3/4. Okay? 3 and 3/4, that will give you 15/4. Okay, now we shall look at two examples. Okay, the first example is 2/3 divided by 4/9. Very simply, first fraction remains, so you keep them. Second fraction you flip, so become 9/4. Divide become a multiply. Then you just multiply the numbers, the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 times 9 is going to be 18. 3 times 4 is going to be 12. Simplify them, is going to be 3/2 divided by 6 and it's going to be 1.5. Okay, great. Now we shall look at the next one. So the next one is going to be 3 and 2/3 divided by 1 and 1/4. So you need to simplify them to improper fraction. So 3 times 3 plus 2 is going to be 11/3 divided by 4 times 1 plus 1 is going to be 5/4. Okay? Next step, you need to keep, flip, and change. So keep 11/3, keep, flip, is going to be 4/5, and you change, multiply, divide to multiply. Then you're going to simplify it to 44/15, and that is going to be 2 is 30, 14/15. Okay? Yep, that's right. Cheers everyone and have a good day.